Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to see about putting an aux cable into the BMW Business CD. So let's get to it. We're going to use this body panel tool to separate the trim. Going really carefully. These are all on pins and it'll come straight back. Don't want to go too far. And that's enough. I want to get this one off. And there's another one on this side. And there you have it. See this pin, and there's the one here that goes in there, and they can be pretty finicky. Now there's only 2 screws that hold this stereo in, and previous owner removed mine and put flatheads in. They're typically a Phillips. And now we're just gonna pull straight out. Go slow because you do have some wires attached. We have the antenna, and if everything's intact, there will be a slider right here that helps push off this big back plug, but we don't. And the first thing you want to see is, do you have a set of plugs here and here? If you don't have the 2 sets of plugs, it's not going to work. All right, so we have 2 sets of plugs. That's a bonus. We're going to just plug this back in. Now let's see. Means that we're going to put our plug right here. Arrow goes up. Let's try this a different way. Alright, so we want to get all of these plugs flush. That's kind of a tight fit. This one's a little bit loose. But that should fit. Now if those are all in line, do a test. Where's our antenna? Shouldn't be necessary right now, but what the heck, let's have it all together. Just we want to keep it out of the way. All right, so let's test it out. So we've got our plug. It's a mini plug. So we've got a mini plug to mini plug, male to male. And we're going into an iPhone, so we have the mini to lightning adapter. And here we go. Looks like we got some Led Zeppelin on Pandora, and play. Well, we're gonna turn on the radio, the aux, and look at that. Oh yeah, we are set. Thank you, Pandora. We're gonna keep it short because we can't, play a bunch of copyrighted music on here. But how cool is that? We are in business. So, whoa! Radio.
Yes.
And the CD, and then back to aux. So, there we go. We can control this on here. Pretty cool. Yeah. Nice. All right, so we did it. Next, we're gonna have to figure out how to put that cable in, because this ain't gonna work. All right, so let's pull this back out. We know it's gonna work, and let's find a place to route it. All right, so I have a fishing wire. Basically, it's got a loop, a little pokey bit, and so what we're gonna do is shoot for down here. This carpeted panel pushes in, and look at that, right there. So the goal here is hook this wire here and see if we can pull it down. Well, that was easy. Nothing's ever that easy. Honestly, that's plenty long enough. All right, this plugs in. These are firm. And very nice. I think we're good. All right. This guy's all lined up. Set that one there. As good as new. All right, guys, thanks for following along. We're gonna get this going, and pretty excited to have tunes that are not radio. I can listen to my audiobooks and stuff like that, so that's gonna be cool. Looks like we got the Kings of Leon coming up. But anyway, give us a thumbs up if you like the video, if you find it useful. I'm going to have a link in the description to get the adapter so you can put your own aux in. And please like, subscribe, and share. Have a great day.